Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to outline text in Canva. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log into your Canva dashboard. If you don't have a Canva account, log in into canva.com and create a free one. Well, to outline text using Canva, from my dashboard, I can navigate into the templates option and pick any template of my choice as long as it's a blank. I can also navigate into the create design option, navigate into the custom size and enter the custom measurements of my design and create. In this case, I'll just select a blank flyer option, and on the blank area, I'll navigate to text and select add a heading. Notice that you can use all the other text options that are available in Canva. On this add a heading, I'll make it more bold by typing in a text of my choice. In this case, we want an outline. I'll make it uppercase by selecting the uppercase option and make it a little bit bigger. I can also decide to navigate into the font area and choose a font of my choice, a font that looks a little bit bigger. Scrolling down, probably horizon looks so massive. It even breaks my text. So I'll reduce the text font. So once I am happy with my font, the next thing I'll want to do is to navigate into the effects option. I'll click on the effects, select text, navigate to effects, and I'll select hollow. Notice now I have an outline of my text. If I want to reduce the outline thickness, then I'll navigate into the thickness scale, which is at 50, and reduce that to fit any size of my choice. I can also decide to navigate into the font color option and select an outline color of my choice. Well, once this is done, it is very possible for you to navigate into the share option and download this specific outline for use in your design. Well, that is how we create an outline using Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.